Alright, what is going on, you guys? Welcome to the video. So we were at the skate park with the LMT Gravedigger. You guys are dirty, let me clean it. That's a bit better. But anyways, we were at the skate park, getting a little hairy with it, and yeah, we done it, broke the axle in half. So my dad went ahead and ordered a Treal. Is this Treal? Axle housing billet. So this thing should be dialed. I was gonna go Vitavon, but Treal, we could get it here in like a day. And Treal makes some good stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and send this bad boy. And then if we break the rear one, we'll get a Treal rear one. But for now, these things are like $150, $160. So yeah, we just picked up one. But let's go ahead and get this sucker open. Comes with all new bearings and everything. So this thing should be running dialed. Wow, so my first thought to this thing is beautiful. Full CNC lines. This is a very nice piece right here. Oh, that's beautiful. Wait, that's sick. So this thing comes with like everything. I like that. Like the name of these, but I'm not sure. Having a space, but these are sweet. Very nice. And then all of our bolts, nuts, washers, stuff like that. So we got the front axle all disassembled. We're gonna be using obviously these. I would think these. I'm not sure yet, but I'm pretty positive we're going to be reusing these. They did come with new bearings, but only for this. So we're going to have to reuse some of the bearings that are here because I did not know that the bearings were shot. I mean, if you look at that, if you look in there, that bearing is just, it's gone. Literally, it's gone. So we're going to go ahead and try and reuse one of these bearings and this. So we got to fix that. Freaking sitting here for 8 years. Very nice. Alright, take this, and it should just press her in. Got some fresh bearings, drop our spur gear in, just like so. Just like so. Put our cover back on. Well, we jumped ahead a little bit because the camera kept overheating, but this is what we got the axle looking like right now. Got our driveline on. It's all built up for the most part. So we got it all put back together. It's looking all spiffy. Pretty simple, straightforward install. These little nuts were being a real freaking pain in the booty. But we ended up going, I believe, you get an extra hole when you upgrade these because the stock ones only have 2. I'm not sure that the spaced outness looks about the same. So I'm going to assume that this middle hole is the new hole you get, but the outers are the same because it doesn't look any different. But no, super happy with this axle. Pretty excited to see how it withholds to some beating. Go ahead and drive it for you tomorrow morning. See how this thing does. We're gonna charge the battery tonight, go rip it, and I mean, at the end of the day, it's just a CNC axle housing, so it's not like, you're probably not gonna notice any differences besides it being stronger, but I mean, as you can see, there's obviously a weakness here because I straight split this thing in half. I mean, and this is like a known weakness. I saw videos and it's, yeah, everyone knows that these axles cannot take the gnarly speeding, which I mean, yeah, it makes sense. It's plastic. You hit it just right. Like I hit it right here and it like skimmed this Treal crossbar. I literally had just put this on the night before. Skimmed this and just went straight into the axle and it just couldn't take it and it split it right in half. So not surprising, but I mean, hey, it just means you get upgrades. This new Treal CNC one is just absolutely mighty gorgeous. I wish it was silver because now when I wreck, it's going to scuff up the black finish, but because that's anodized. So yeah, I wish it was this color, but you know what? We don't all get what we want. So
Black is cool too, but my camera's about overheating again, so I'll see you guys in the morning. The tires are spinning in opposite directions. Do that. Let's hit that again. I don't know. The next morning after ripping this thing up, and she did great. It's all clean. Yeah, I mean, it's just, this axle setup is awesome. I love it. Did get our first couple of scratches right there. Those were a cringe for myself, but nothing handles amazing. It's working solid. The steering has never felt so solid in the front end. Always, you need to check the pins that drop into the knuckles, because we've lost 3 of them. They just came loose, so we put Loctite in there, even though it's going into plastic, just some sort of goo that's gonna help keep it in there. Because yeah, we've lost 3 of those, and the steering is just, yeah, it gets so bad because like there's nothing holding the knuckle on, so it's just kind of flopping around. But no, I'm super happy with how this thing is coming together. I do think I'm gonna purchase a body for it, so stay tuned for that. We'll paint it, do all our own stuff with it. That'll be sick. Good old J Concepts. I really want to buy the Treal beadlocks. They're so sick, but they are so expensive. I think 2 is like $120, so they are pricey. Pretty much gonna wrap up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys want to see down in the comments of RC content. Do you guys like seeing bashing videos? What do you guys like to see? I need to know this kind of stuff so I know what to film for you guys. But yeah, other than that, it's gonna end the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go pick up one of these Treal axle housings for yourself, and yeah, go bash it up. See you guys in the next one. Peace.